Hello students, this is your social science teacher Deepa Yadav. Yesterday in the third chapter, How the State Government Work, we learned about three levels of government and majority, opposition, ruling party, MLA. Then we have gone through the result of assembly elections in HP held in 2003. Table is given on the page number 33, in which you can see the political parties. There are name of the few political parties and the number of MLAs elected. INC won by 43 MLA, Bharatiya Janata Party with 16 MLA, other political parties 3 MLA, and 6 independents who don't belong to any party. So total 68 assembly constituencies are there in the Himachal Pradesh. Now the INC with the 43 MLAs had the majority and became the ruling party, and BJP party who won with 16 MLAs became major opposition party and chose Veerbhadra Singh as their leader, and he became CM of INC. Then he selects other ministers. Now we will move towards a debate in the Legislative Assembly, which we have discussed in our live classes. We all know that the CM selects the other people as minister, and after the election, it is the governor of the state who appoints CM and other ministers. The chief minister and the other ministers have responsibility of running various government departments, or the ministers they have separate offices. And here we will be the familiar with the new name Legislative Assembly. It is a place where all the MLAs, whether from the ruling party or from opposition party, meet and discuss various things. Hence, some MLAs have dual responsibility, one as an MLA and other as minister. On the page number 33, we have gone through a debate in the Legislative Assembly. So we'll move towards the debate. In this debate, there are 6 MLAs who are giving report of their areas and discussing about it, where the MLA first was discussing about constituency of Akhand. During last 3 weeks there was 15 death because of diarrhea. It means he want to say that there is a problem and immediate measures should be taken to control the situation. And MLA second discussed about why are the government hospitals in such a bad situation. MLA third discussed about area or the constituency of Tolapatti too has a serious shortage of water. Women travel up to 3 or 4 kilometers to collect water. Because of that, they all are just showing the problems of their areas. He asked question to the authorities that how many wells and how many ponds have been cleaned and disinfected to sort out the problems of the people. Now, MLA 4 has stand up and was associated with ruling party. He said, "My colleagues are just exaggerating the problems. The government has taken steps to control the situation, and water tankers have been put into services, and ORS packets are being distributed, and the government is doing everything possible to help the people." Only this one, MLA 4, is in the favor of party. Then MLA 5 stand up and he discussed about the situation of the hospital. He said, "In my area there was no doctor and no medical staff has been appointed for the last few years. This is a matter of shame." And again, MLA 6 stand up and favored the government because they belongs to the ruling party, and the left MLA 1, MLA 2, MLA 3 and 5 are from the opposition party. That's why MLA 6 said the opposition members are unnecessarily blaming the government. The previous government didn't pay any attention to sanitation. We have now taken up a drive to clear the garbage that's have been lying around for the years. So we have done lots of work to control the situation and for the development of the country. So that's all about our discussion in the live classes, students. Next, we will discuss tomorrow about the working of the government. Thank you very much.